Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. Today I'm going to give this a go. It's called Goop. The idea is instead of repairing a puncture on the side of the road, this bungs up the hole before you know about it. Well, that's what they say. I bought this bottle of Goop myself. It's not a sponsored video. There are several other similar products available. I just picked this one. I'm going to follow the instructions by putting it in all three wheels of the Kawasaki and sidecar. The instructions say, position the wheel with the valve at 8 o'clock. Well, it's 3 in the afternoon. I'm not going to wait. Let's just go for it now. Please don't tell the people at Goop. Okay, remove the valve core using the supplied tool, but I'll probably use my own. Once the tyre is fully deflated, extend the tube from the top of the bottle and place it over the valve. Squeeze the correct amount into the tyre. In my case, it is 250 millilitres. They have put a marker on the side of the bottle to see when the 250 millilitres has gone in. Unfortunately, someone thought it was a clever idea to put a label over it. Finally, wipe away any residue, refit the valve core and inflate the tyre to the correct pressure. Let's give it a go. Ah, look at that. Someone has put a 90-degree valve stem on here, but pointed it the wrong way. In case you don't know, when you fit 90-degree stems, you point them away from the side stand. I'll demonstrate this on the front wheel only today. Ooh. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to show us your love, comment below and subscribe with notifications on. You know you liked it, so tell your friends, and I'll see you here next time on Biker Stuff.